Good morning to you. It's really nice clear sky today. It's really early in the morning. Got a tiny little fishing boat there doing his stuff. I don't know if my camera's focused or not. I can't really see the LED screen again. Well, he's busy. Got his nets out. It's a bit cooler today, definitely cooler. The wind's coming off the sea. I'm sitting around the front of my van out of the wind having a cup of tea. Well, I did step out here last night for some stargazing. The road became very quiet, but it is a quiet road anyway. Oh, but the stars are unbelievable. I could see the Milky Way very clearly. An electric storm went up through the, I was going to say the channel, but it's not a channel, across the Mediterranean Sea. A big electric storm last night was really interesting to watch. I've got my tea on the sideboard here. Yeah, the cup's still going, Vera. It's looking a bit grubby. But the van is also looking very grubby. She is very dirty and, yeah, not very nice at all. I need to go to a campsite because I need a shower, a proper shower, and I'm running out of clothes. No more skidoos left, and I'm down to about 3 t-shirts and half a dozen socks, so I really do need to go to a campsite, so I better find one of those, and I can do all my necessaries. Just stop for 24 hours. Yeah, look at the state of the van, look at the window screen, how dirty it is. She's been a good girl. She is a good girl. And I'm going to take a walk to the headland over there. Sorry about the wind noise, but I can't do anything about that. This is the little beach I'm going to come back to this afternoon because I want to get up on that headland there. There's like a little cave sheltering from the wind here. So that's where I'm coming. Here. Right, up the hill we go. Well, I've made it here to my own little private beach. It is quite windy, but I'm sheltered by these rocks, so yeah, I'm on the beach again. Can't believe it. I think it's the 5th of November today. There is a touch of coolness in the air. It is cooling down here. But yeah, onwards and upwards. Oh, I've got my flask. I'll have a cup of tea on the beach. How good is that? What is it about being alone that I like? Yeah, happy here. Rather precarious rocks here. I haven't dared sit any closer to them just in case. Yeah, the whole place is mine. Just the odd car screams by and that's about it. Oh, we've got some clouds brewing up. I don't know what that means. If it comes cloudy, I'm off to find somewhere else. But for now, I'm here. I'm just having my last cup of tea because I said if the clouds come along I would have to go, and yeah, we got clouds on the move, so maybe we'll be up the road in a little while. Let's see what happens. Oh, looks like we've got some new neighbours. what can I say? It's just been so low key here. Really low key. Ah, bugger. So, I've got my shower ready. I've got to have a shower today. That's what you call a camper, a motorhome. So I'm thinking I'm going to stay the night again. It was so quiet, so nice here, a bit more stargazing. So yeah, I'm going to stay another night. That'll take me into Saturday, which is cool. And I shall go and find another beach, but not right now. This is too nice. Well, that's just about it for this video. I shall put it up, start fresh tomorrow. Alan out. I was going to go and see if I could have a look around this place, but I noticed a security van hanging around there today, so not a good idea to get into trouble. Well, last night's meal, the lasagna was gorgeous. It was really gorgeous. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. It was lovely. Tonight we're back to van salad, but I've got tuna with olives and bits and bobs, tomatoes, beetroot and eggs. Some nice bits of niceties to go with it. So it really is Alan out. I'm going to eat this and put this video up and see what happens tomorrow. So Alan scoffing myself, Alan out. Well, she's looking grand.
Yes, 120 years old, it's not bad.
120?
Yes.
Yeah, she's looking well. Well, I missed the whistle. So here she goes. With a creak and a groan, she's going. Well, it's 7 carriages, number 3. Well, here she comes. I told her it was a 9F, but I'm not sure what it is at the moment. So, here we go. Look at this, it's a Southern 825. Hey up, driver! Wow, there's soot in the air.